backslash n backslash n backslash n backslash n backslash n backslash n Data Structures Masterclass backslash n backslash n backslash n backslash n Mastering Data Structures. A comprehensive guide backslash n. Welcome to our in-depth exploration of data structures, essential tools for efficient algorithm design and software development. This guide will walk you through fundamental concepts, advanced techniques, and practical applications that every programmer should know. Backslash n Introduction to Data Structures. Backslash n Data structures are specialized formats for organizing, processing, retrieving, and storing data efficiently. They provide a way to manage large amounts of data so that operations like insertion, deletion, searching, and sorting can be performed quickly and effectively. Backslash n Fundamental concepts. Backslash n In this section, we'll cover basic types of data structures including arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, graphs, and hash tables. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses depending on use cases. Backslash n Arrays. Backslash n An array is a collection of elements stored at contiguous memory locations. It allows random access but has fixed size limitations which may lead to inefficiencies when resizing. Backslash n Linked lists. Backslash n A linked list consists of nodes where each node contains some data and a reference, link, to another node. Unlike arrays, they allow dynamic sizing but require additional memory for pointers. Backslash n Stacks and queues. Backslash n Stacks follow last in first out, LIFO, principle used extensively in recursion and function calls. Backslash n Queues operate based on first in first out, FIFO, commonly applied in task scheduling systems. Backslash n Trees. Backslash n Trees represent hierarchical relationships between elements. Common implementations include binary trees, AVL trees, B trees, etc., useful for search algorithms and database indexing. Backslash n Binary search tree. Backslash n This type ensures faster lookup times by maintaining sorted order among child nodes relative to parent ones. Backslash n Graphs. Backslash n Graphs consist of vertices connected via edges, ideal for modeling complex networks such as social media connections or transportation routes. Backslash n Hash tables. Backslash n These utilize hashing functions to map keys directly onto values, enabling O(1) average case time complexity during lookups and insertions. Backslash n Advanced topics. Backslash n Building upon basics, let's explore more sophisticated areas within data structure theory including balancing mechanisms, space-time trade-offs, and real-world implementation considerations. Backslash n Balanced trees. Backslash n To maintain optimal performance levels especially regarding height constraints, balanced tree variants like red-black trees ensure logarithmic operation times regardless of input distribution patterns. Backslash n Space-time trade-off analysis. Backslash n Designers often face decisions involving how much memory versus computation power should be allocated towards solving problems. This balance significantly affects overall system efficiency. Backslash n Distributed systems considerations. Backslash n With modern computing trends leaning heavily toward distributed environments, understanding replication strategies along with consistency models becomes crucial part of effective DS application across multiple nodes. Backslash n Applications across industries. Backslash n Data structures play pivotal roles not just limited to traditional IT fields, they extend into bioinformatics, finance, gaming industries too. Backslash n Finance sector use cases. Backslash n High-frequency trading platforms rely heavily on priority queues implemented via heaps for rapid execution decisions while managing risk exposure metrics simultaneously. Backslash n Gaming industry applications. Backslash n Game engines frequently employ spatial partitioning schemes utilizing quad trees or octrees to optimize collision detection processes amidst numerous moving objects present inside virtual worlds. Backslash n Best practices and tips. Backslash n Adopting good habits early helps avoid common pitfalls associated with improper usage scenarios. Here are several recommendations worth considering. /n select appropriate DS according to specific problem requirements rather than default choices. /n prioritize readability over micro-optimizations. Unless dealing with high-performance critical components. /n always consider edge conditions during testing phases since unexpected inputs might expose hidden flaws otherwise overlooked initially. /n conclusion /n mastery over various forms of data organization empowers developers to tackle increasingly challenging computational tasks confidently. Whether building scalable web services or crafting intricate simulation models, choosing right combination of underlying abstractions makes all difference ultimately. /n.